Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Chrome Remote Desktop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Chrome Remote Desktop website right here, remotedesktop.google.com if you have not already, and it's going to open up this main page. From this home page, we are going to go ahead and be greeted with this page where we can go and take a look at what we can do. So here we have the option to either access our computer, that's going to securely access our computer whenever we are away using our phone, tablet, or another computer. So this is going to be a great tool, or we can go ahead and share our screen. So you can share your screen to collaborate in real time, or connect with another computer to give or receive remote support. So basically guys, this is how to get started on this page right here. But if you need any more help or detailed instructions on how to go ahead and complete certain tasks, you can go to the official support Google website right here, and we have an article on how to access another computer with Chrome Remote Desktop. So it's going to show you what you need to do. So on your computer, you're going to open Chrome and open up this website that I just showed you, and then you can click to set up remote access. That's going to go ahead and appear right here to access your computer. From there, you can get started with downloading it and following the rest of the steps step by step, and take a look at how to share your computer with someone else if you need any more help. But basically, this is how to get started. You can go ahead and find out everything you need for yourself right here. All the options you're going to need to get started are the buttons right here, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.